Alright, so coming on here to review this ice maker. So first of all, I want to show you this is the area where the ice will come out. And we've got a little spoon here to grab the ice with. And then this area, this is where you're going to fill it up with water. So let me just do that quickly. I'm going to fill it up with water. And I'm going to get the machine started. Okay, so not sure how much water I filled it up with, but it says max 1.8 liter. Right, so I'm just going to put this in there and then put this in here. And then we're going to press this. And now, I'm not sure if you can see that, but it says in tiny letters, making ice. And that's when you know it's actually making the ice. And then you've also got a light feature, so you can turn the light on. That's pretty cool. And then you can also put it on clean, but right now we just wanted to start making ice. And then I'll be back in about 20 minutes or so when it has actually made some ice. Okay, so literally just as I turned off the camera, it started making the noise. So now we know it's for sure making the ice. All right, so it's been about 15 minutes since I turned this on for you guys. And just wanted to show you guys how it looks. So as you can see, there's already ice in here. Let me just turn off the ice maker. So right now I turned it off. And you can see it's like little particles of ice. It's almost like little cubes, but kind of like little bits of ice in here. And very easy to get out and to just put in your drink or wherever you want to put it. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Definitely like this machine. It works great and it gives you ice in a matter of literally minutes. So I love that and I definitely recommend you should go get yours. It's also not very loud. Yeah, definitely recommend this. Go get your ice.